Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today I have my Grove Collaborative box. This is where I would normally hold the box up, but my husband just helped me unbox it and took the boxes away because we hear the trash coming. And I hadn't started the video yet, so Grove Collaborative box. Oh boy, I think it's going to be one of those silly days. So let's just get into this and see what I got. This is actually a combination of two orders. One that came at regular subscription time and one that I ordered because the spring scents came out from Mrs. Meyers and I couldn't miss the spring Mrs. Meyers scents. The things that I got that you guys see on the regular that I will just hold up quickly and go by, and if you haven't seen my videos before, I will try and link the last one up here because every time I place a Grove order, I get the Method Foaming Tub and Tile Cleaner. I love it. It is effective. I love that it doesn't smell nearly as toxic as like scrubbing bubbles, but it does have a scent. It's very minty, mentholy. And I also always get the Method Daily Shower Spray. Always. Love it. And that is something that you just spray when you step out of the shower. So between the times when you use this, that keeps the tub extra clean. I should back up for just a split second and say Grove Collaborative is a customizable auto shipment service that delivers all natural products straight to your home. They do home, beauty, personal products, and you can set it up so that you receive it monthly, or you can set it up so you receive it less frequently than that, or you can do like I did and I have my monthly shipment, but I also did another shipment because I didn't want to take a chance on missing any of these great scents from Mrs. Meyers. You are in complete control. Now that said, you do need to go in and manage your account and let them know. You will initially be set up to receive something monthly, but you can change that. And then you also need to go into your cart and be sure and check it each month before it ships. And they send you, I think, at least 2 emails letting you know it's getting ready to ship. So you just need to go in and be sure what's in your cart is what you want. Okay, back to what I got. And in my first order, that was my regular monthly order, I also got these ultra soft tissues. And I got those before the world tilted on its axis. I got these thinking that when I went out, I could use a tissue to like open a door and then just throw it in the trash, and it would be an easier way to not touch things. Now that I'm never leaving my house, they might just be an allergy season tissue. Also in my first order, I did hand sanitizers, and I placed this order, and I've had it for quite some time. I placed this order right when we were all starting to be worried about what was going to happen out there. Were we just going to be using hand sanitizers and washing our hands more, but continuing to go out? I ordered quite a bit of hand sanitizer because they had plenty, but you could only get one of each, but they would let you order it in its different packs. So this is actually an old one that I have sitting here on my beauty desk. It's their blood orange hand sanitizer gel that, like I said, I've had for forever. Now they've changed the label and it's so much prettier. I love how pretty it looks now. And it's the exact same hand sanitizer gel. It's just prettier. So I ordered one of these, and you could also order another one if you ordered it in a kit with a small one. So I got another one that way because I was thinking everybody's offices and then one here at home. So I also got another one, and it came with their hand cream. So I'm anxious to try all of these products. And the hand cream has a nice seal on it. So that's good to know because I have a lot of hand creams going. As much as we've been washing our hands, a lot of hand creams. Okay. And the last thing that came in that box, because it was just a small order, was, and I must have earned this for free, the Rooted Sensitive Facial Towelettes. And I'm going to set these aside for a giveaway because they have a licorice root in them. All of the Rooted Sensitive products have licorice root in it. So while it's a great product, if you watch the channel, you know I am allergic to licorice, so it's something I can't use. I know, so weird. And then the second box that just got delivered is where I got my Mrs. Meyers Spring On. I had a little bit of this left from last season, so I got the Mrs. Meyers Lilac Multi-Surface Cleaner, and this smells so good. It smells like lilac. And I got 2 of the dishwashing liquids because I know I have leftover from last year, 1 more of these and a hand soap. So I just needed to fill out that. And then as we move into summer, I had to try the new scent, and I haven't smelled it yet, and I'm so excited. I got 1 of the Rose, how good does that sound, multi-surface cleaner. And then normally I get 3 of these, but I guess because of everything that's going on, they're limiting more. So I got 2 of the Rose Scent dish soaps, 1, 2, and I got 2 of the Rose Scented hand soaps. I just love the Mrs. Meyers products. So 2 of the hand soaps, 2 of the dish soaps, and 1 of these. What I normally do per season is 1 multi-surface cleaner, 3 dish soaps, and 2 hand soaps. And that gets me through a season until the next scent comes out. But they were limiting us. Bummer, to only 2 of these. Let's open it up. I haven't ever smelled the rose, so I'm anxious to smell it. Oh, it smells so good. It smells like a real rose. You know, it's kind of rosy. I know what you're thinking. Yeah, I would hope so, Catherine. No, but it's kind of rosy, but it's got that green scent to it. So it's not like a floral rose that you would splash on your face. It's more of a clean, cut grass, rosy scent. I hope that that comes across. And just so you know, the hand soaps have olive oil and aloe vera in them. I don't know that they always did. And like I said, I use a new scent like all winter. I use the Iowa Pine. I love the Iowa Pine. They start it for Christmas because they think I use it all winter. I love it. Before they started coming out with all the fancy scents, I always loved the lemon verbena. It doesn't smell even a little bit like lemon to me. It just has a really clean scent that I love. The basil, another one of my favorites. And then I like the lilac, and now I suspect I'm going to like the rose for spring and summer. I could go on and on. They do so many fantastic flavors. And the last thing I got in this was the Grove Gel Hand Soap. They came out with their own spring scent, and it's called Cherry Blossoms. And that is so pretty. And I will just pour directly from this. I have one of those Simple Human hand soap dispensers that you just and I will pour this right in there. Oh, that smells fantastic. Oh, I wish I had gotten more of this. Oh, if this lasts, I will definitely be getting a couple more of these in my next order. That smells lovely. Lovely. That's my Grove collaborative order for this month. It's kind of 2 orders that I saved because I knew they were both small, so I'd be able to show you, because I knew it was a whole lot of hand sanitizer and a whole lot of Mrs. Meyers, and then some of the things that I always do. But I just love it so much. And I also don't have to run to Target and wonder if they're going to have these new scents. Like, do they have the lilac? Well, now I can't even run to Target and find that out. Well, that's taken a real turn. Another reason to love this. And they didn't have the rose last time I was there either. That said, it's been almost 3 weeks. That is another reason I love the Grove Collaborative. These things that I know, that I want, that I choose to clean my house with, come straight to my door. If it's something you have any interest in, I have my link below. With your first order, I think you have to spend $20. You get 5 free products. You receive a multi-surface cleaner, a hand soap, and a dish soap, and then 2 other products, usually Grove collaborative products. I always say when I got mine, I think I got some walnut sponges, and I got a really nice Grove ceramic plate that I put one of these sets on, and it sits right next to my sink, and I love it. I know, cleaning products shouldn't make somebody so happy, although I will tell you, in this day and age, I feel like I'm using them all the time. I feel like maybe I should have ordered more hand soap, less hand sanitizer, because now we don't get to leave the house. Thank you so much for coming by, guys. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and I'll see you really soon. Take care, guys.